The patterning capability in Pro Engineer has always been popular. This release further extends the patterning capabilities through two enhancements. Here we will create a hole pattern that follows the indentation of the Bobcat roof. First, we select the slot we want to pattern. Since we want this slot to follow the profile of the indentation of the roof, we will define the pattern type to be Curve, a new option in Pro Engineer Wildfire 3.0. The first step will be to select the curve we want the slot to follow. We will sketch this curve by selecting the edge of the indentation and offsetting it. Offsetting the existing edge ensures that no matter how the indentation changes, the pattern will always update, a great benefit of associativity. Now that the curve we would like the slot to follow has been defined, we can instantly see a preview of the pattern. If we would like to make adjustments to the spacing of the pattern instances, that's easy to do too. Just simply enter the new value for the spacing, and the preview instantly updates. We can enter several different values until we are satisfied with the results. Another option could have been to enter how many pattern instances we wanted, and Pro Engineer would have automatically evenly spaced them for us. Now if we decide we want to change this pattern, that is also very easy to do. Let's say instead we would like the slots to fill the roof indentation. All we need to do is change the pattern type to Fill, and Pro Engineer takes care of the rest. To illustrate another new capability, let's redefine this pattern so that the slot pattern runs along the length of the Bobcat roof. We will simply select a curve that was previously created that runs along the edge of the roof. Notice that the curve we have chosen does not follow the surface. If our pattern followed this curve completely, it would end up floating in free space. In this release, you can now simply open the dashboard and select the Follow Surface option. Notice how the pattern automatically updates. Now let's say we want to change this feature completely. We find out that instead of a slot, we need ribs. So, we need to convert the slot into a protrusion. In Pro Engineer Wildfire 3.0, this is easily done, producing the desired geometry in seconds. We update the original slot, switch it to a protrusion, and the entire pattern immediately updates. Now we realize we no longer need that first rib, and we would like to adjust the pattern. All we need to do is simply delete the patterned instances we don't want. We can even delete the original feature we patterned. Pro Engineer Wildfire 3.0 extends the flexibility of patterning. It has always been possible to create this type of geometry in Pro Engineer, but now it's faster.